Configure CAS LP1000N model from one type of a label to another. First, let's just see how it's currently set up. So, I'm just going to put something on the scale, give it a price, and print. So, as you can see, what we currently have set up is a message with a label with ingredients, space for ingredients, and we would like to switch to a label that's much shorter, the one that doesn't have ingredient space for it. So because it's a shorter label, it requires reconfiguration on the label type on the scale. So first thing, let's physically switch out the labels. So to switch out the current labels, we're going to open this cover page here. And also let's remove the side cover as well. And the first thing we're going to do is to open the print head, like so. Since we didn't run out on a label, so let's just sort of gently rip the tape here. And then we can pull out this needle and basically this part is out. Okay, now let's pull this needle out gently and roll back whatever's left of the current label and take it out. So now we have this new label, and we're going to put this in like so. Just lift this part here. All right. And we're going to carry it right to the point of the label. Alright, so then we're going to take it over and just back the needle like so. And we are good on this side. Let's just put the needle back on that side and ready to close. Alright. Now let's give it a try. We'll put something on the scale. Right. And we're going to say price and print. So clearly now it's not printing correctly because it's still set up for the previous configuration and it's stepping over into the next label. So let's just sort of do the setup part now. So to change the configuration, for those who have it, I'm going to refer to the LP1000N model user manual, and specifically on page 37, the title is Label Format. Now, label format references appendix, which is in the manual on page 69, and it looks like this. It's called label format, and it shows all the different formats that are compatible with the scale, and then each format has its own number that can be set up. So currently we have CAS, well, we had CAS 8020. This is what it looked like printed, and what we would like to switch to is 8010 to the default number 0. And so this is when we go back to page that talks about label format and follow the directions, so we know that our number is 0 now. So to get started, to get into the program mode, we are going to press number 1 key and then mode. Alright, and then we're going to press down key 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it's supposed to say set. Then we're going to press on print, star key, and the display shows set enter 0. Set enter 0. Great. And then we're going to press the number 4 key. And then press print key. And the display shows label enter 1. Got it? To program label format, we're going to press the number 2 key. And then display shows label format 23. That's what it's currently at. And we want to switch it to 0. So we're going to press the number that we're using and print to confirm. Right. Display shows label enter. Great. And now we're going to click on press on C to basically set what we just done. And technically we're done. So let's give it a try. So we have something on a scale. So feed sensor. So our label is off, and obviously it's because we're switching from one mode to another. So in this case we're going to just do that, and let's see if that helped. Print. Nope, we are still in old format. Alright, so we can probably cut that out later, but let's see, feed. Alright, so that's not good. Also, so we have our format. Let's just make sure that it's good. To program, we're going to press 1, mode, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Set, we're going to press print key. Then we're going to press 4, print. Label enter 1. Going to press 2. So format is 0. That's what our format is. So we just need to change the length of the label, and there's a setting for that as well. So I guess on that particular scale it was manually reprogrammed, but the length of the label is 40. So the length of the label is on page 36, programming the label set. So these are the instructions. So we're going to basically get through these. So program mode, press 1 key, right? So we're going to press 1, mode, and then go down 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we're on set. Then the weight display shows set. Great. Press print key. Alright. 4, print. The program label length, press 1 key. So it's currently set on 60, and we're going to switch it to 40. And then press print key. Set. Alright, so now let's feed. Alright, looks like it got reconfigured. So let's just give it a try. Something on the scale. Give it a price and print. Let's give it one more time. Give it a price and print. And there's our label. Completely reconfigured. So we have, if we use plu, for example, one plu, and print, the name shows up as well. And that's how you reconfigure the label from one size to another on LP1000N model. Thank you.